A really useful feature that Zoom has is for others to share their screen. You most likely have seen your instructors do this during Zoom meetings, thus allowing you to be able to see the PowerPoint slides during the online lecture. Today, I am going to be showing you guys how to share PowerPoint slides using the Zoom screen share feature. This is something you will need to be familiar with if you have a speech or a group presentation requiring the use of slides. In order for you to share your screen, your instructor, the meeting host, will need to first enable screen sharing for all participants. With that, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure your PowerPoint window is open but not yet in slideshow mode. Then you'll want to go to the Zoom window and minimize it. When you minimize the Zoom window, you will still be able to see a mini window on the top right for the Zoom meeting. Next, you will want to go to the PowerPoint window and launch the slideshow from whichever slide you're supposed to start from. Note that the mini window of the Zoom meeting will still be visible to you on the top right. What you want to do now is hover over the mini Zoom window and select the Exit Minimized Video option, which is the one with a green arrow. This will take you back to the Zoom meeting window. Then click Share Screen. Now from here, you have many options. For instance, you can share your entire screen, which will allow others to see what you're seeing, regardless of the window you're in. However, there's another option that restricts it to only sharing your PowerPoint slides. It's the one that starts with PowerPoint slideshow followed by the file name. I would highly recommend using that option because it allows users to see your slides full screen with minimal distraction, such as the entire PowerPoint editor in the background. Furthermore, this option also automatically stops your screen share when you exit the slideshow, which means that you won't need to worry about forgetting to stop your screen share so the next person going after you can share theirs. I'd also like to point out this option below, Share Computer Sound. It is pretty straightforward. It allows others to hear any sound that's being played on your computer. This can be very useful if your presentation has an audio or video artifact. So, I'm going to go ahead and share my slides just to show you what it looks like. And let me go ahead and advance to the next one. Okay, see what it says on this screen? Make sure that you're following the steps in the exact order when you're sharing your PowerPoint slides via the screen share feature. Otherwise, it won't work. For example, if you start out by being in the Zoom window and you go to the tasks bar and click on the PowerPoint window from there, it's not going to show the mini video player on the top right because you didn't minimize it. Therefore, this is one of these situations where you'll really need to closely follow directions. Anyways, back on topic. Say I want to stop screen share. I've got two options. Number one, I can manually stop it by moving my cursor to the top center of the screen and click Stop Share. Or if this is my last slide, which just so happens to be the case here, I can just advance until it exits the slideshow, which will automatically stop the screen share. So this concludes this video on how to share your PowerPoint slides using the Zoom screen share feature. Thanks for watching.